Okay.
How is it going today, Loyalists? Kingdom, my name's Dwayne.
My name's Jasmine.
For Dwayne, Jazz said we have Sneezing in Skyrim full version by KINGVADER.
The homie.
The homie, and we reacting to all his videos. He got 3 more videos.
Vader season.
I've never played. I'm just gonna be honest. I've never played Skyrim. Have you?
No,
ever
I
played
saw
Skyrim?
my brother play it. I didn't play it myself.
I never played, so
But I get the gist of the game.
Okay, I don't. Oh, let's dive on it. Just tell me what's going on.
Okay. I probably can't tell you in depth. I didn't really play it like that.
See, Skyrim. Life is good. You know, being a Dragonborn really isn't that bad.
All his skits look like a movie.
Yeah, no, the quality on it is great.
Is that ever gonna happen, right?
They're running to get him tissue because he's about to sneeze. His face like that.
I don't know.
Oh, it's other people.
Hey,
Oh, Lucas.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Damn.
He made the country's part.
Right.
Wow.
Wow. These need to be, that was I think I understand.
I guess it's because like it's so powerful.
Yeah, he sneezed his clothes off though. So
I know.
That made me like, what in the world?
I know he sneezed the clothes off. He sneezed the countries apart.
Yeah, I was like
it was all one land and
yeah.
then it just all broke apart.
You have to what we know as the continent.
Right.
But anyway, guys, please comment below.
Don't forget to like,
subscribe,
share.
some more. Alright, guys, deuces.